It's early, and I haven't had any coffee yet. I've forgotten, and I did this last time, that Animal Kingdom opens a little earlier. So early entry for the park is 7:30. It's 7:27. So we are running a little behind. Why do people walk right at me? It's a busy place. We are going to jump into Animal Kingdom on a nice, cloudy, perhaps rainy day, which should be good for Disney's hottest park. So let's go, have some fun. I got a new shirt on, very excited about that. Let's go see how much we can get done. All right, we've made it in. As usual, a little bit later than I want. So we'll see how long we have to wait for Avatar. But it's dark. I wonder if Pandora will be lit up. 7:30 daylight savings time started, so it's a little different experience here this morning. Plus it's cloudy. It's going to thunderstorm. I may not have brought the right camera. So hopefully I can go poncho-less. But that's the magic of making these mistakes so you don't have to. I'm also getting Joffrey'd up as we speak, so we'll see how that affects my mood and commentary for the day. But so far, I guess we at least missed the mad rush. I got both hands full, so I can't check the wait times just to see if it's anything. You know, we get a half an hour early, and I always think it's going to be 8:30, but it's 7:30 for Animal Kingdom. It's been a long time since I've seen any of even the lights on, because we're always here in the summer. And I don't even remember the last time I saw it at night. So even seeing a little bit of lit up is kind of fun. Mom's here, she's never been here, so we'll get her take on what she thinks of the park. Excited to see how beautiful. Oh look, end of the line. I've seen worse lines. All right, well maybe I spoke too soon. I do think it's fun to run, to be one person ahead. This is pretty sizable. And it's starting to rain. Yay! That ride's so freaking cool. I mean, it's just unbelievable. I mean, 45 minutes. They said 60 by the time we got to there. 45 minutes. So don't let those wait times scare you. But that ride is just unbelievable. And my 71-year-old mom loved it. I think she's 71. Maybe she's 72. We'll see if she watches these videos. She says she does, but I don't think she does. And probably shouldn't, but still, we'll test it out. All right, next I think Navi River ride, which is at a half an hour. So we'll see how long that takes.
Well, the Hartman's Mountain zebras are running too. Your friends are leaving, buddy. You just munching? Okay. He's like, I don't care what they're doing, I'm eating my food. If we do see other giraffes up ahead here, you're gonna wanna look at their spot patterns as well. They are also all different and unique. They're gonna be the wildebeest here. Now wildebeest, they'll actually migrate with 1.5 million of them together. I like to say that they have their own little music in their head and they're just sway back and forth, jamming out there.
All right, getting a pretty good feel for Animal Kingdom this morning. We got all of Pandora done and the safari, which, you know, is 35 minutes maybe. I think that one was actually dead on where normally they're not. So I think we're gonna skip Everest, pardon me, and then go around to Dinosaur and say goodbye to that again. And then, so here we go. I just love walking through here. I mean, it is probably the best themed park that Disney has. I mean, I say it every time, but it just looks so real. Or as real as I would think something would look as Nepal at a Joffrey's to keep me going. I'm so tired. Now we're off. Go see what they're doing to old Dino Land. Wow, look at that. Gone. I mean, this was a giant dinosaur for all we've known of this park. I don't know what that dinosaur's name was. I've never really thought much about it. But that looks weird to see all those construction walls. Change is good. As long as it's not the lobby of the Polynesian. Not great. Is the boneyard still open? Yeah. They're still losing kids in the boneyard. A Triceratops spin, and wow, it just looks so weird. But I'm excited. I think this was never my favorite land, and Dinosaur was never really my favorite ride. Though I'm gonna go ride it now because I like it because it's leaving. But no, this will be all right, and I'm excited to see what they do. I'll be interested to see how much they change the facade of the Dino Institute to make it into bum ba bum 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 ba bum. Old Pluto hanging out over there. Well, I can see why they're getting rid of that, right? Oh, look, that crocodile's gone. Huh. I wonder if they have to move him because of the construction. Because crocodiles would still fit in with Indiana Jones. I can see why they get rid of that ride, because every time you're almost not going to make it. In fact, he says they're not going to make it, they're not going to make it, they're not going to make it. And then yet we do. So I don't know how I feel about that. Stop anywhere. Just middle of the road's good. It's kind of odd. I've never noticed hearing kind of non-Disney music in Disney. Well, I'm gonna walk out. I think that's gonna be about it. Stay tuned for more. Kind of a short, so it's noon. We got here, arrived at 7:30, but didn't start doing stuff until 8. So, you know, quick 4 hours, and we didn't do Everest and Cali River Rapids, which I think is down anyway. So, not really a big deal. But that's how you half day Animal Kingdom. So subscribe, like, share, check out the podcast, and either look at the video before or after this one for Peanut Gallery is spoken. All right, see you real soon.